This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker TTOO or T2 BioSystems. So they went on a pretty good run here. I've got the 15-minute time frame pulled up. You can see they bled down to the 24-cent level and then they ripped all the way up to the 39-cent level. So pretty good run there over a few days, but now they are starting to dump and they are starting to sell off. So if you look on the 15-minute here, there was a key level around 34 cents that was kind of acting as support, and they just blew through that. They challenged it here in pre-market, and now it's made a big move lower. So for me, I think I've got a short position on this, but it is a call and it is way out of the money. I think it's like a 2 call or 250 call, like way far from the money. The options chain is not that great here. I kind of wish they had a better chain. Like if they had 50-cent calls, dollar calls, something like that, I could make a lot more money going a lot closer to the money where this thing is trading, because, you know, the best this thing is seen in recent past, if we zoom in here on the daily, is what, about 70 cents. So yeah, it would have been really nice to have some 50-cent calls in here I could sell, or maybe some dollar calls in here I could sell, but that's not the case. So I do have a short position on it, but it's nowhere near being in the money. The reason I took out a short position on this stock is I was kind of looking through their financials, and I was looking at their cash flow statement, and based on the most recent quarter, let's go in here and look at the quarterly. So they have 16.6 million in cash. So that was their in cash, their in cash position. The quarter ending June 30th, 2023, and I saw that they burned through almost 51 million. So their free cash flow was negative 50.6 million. So just kind of seeing that, it's like, well, with their cash burn rate of their most recent quarter, they're not going to survive very long. If you go to the statistics tab in here, I mean, they could survive if they take out more debt or issue more shares or dilute the shareholders, something like that. You know, they can survive. But if you come in here, you know, a lot of these financial metrics are really brutal. Operating margin, negative 393%, not good. Return on assets, negative 84.5%, not good. Quarterly revenue growth down 66.8%, not good. EBITDA is negative 50 million. Diluted EPS, the last 12 months, they've lost $3.10 per share. The book value is negative, so the common stock equity is actually in the negative, so these shares are not even fundamentally worth a penny, and the current ratio is pretty bad. It's not the worst we've seen, but you know, you want that to be a lot higher. You want that to at least be 1 or above. When you're sitting at 0.36, that means they're going to have some trouble meeting short-term liabilities, you know, or paying short-term debts. So yeah, you can see here too, operating cash flow, that last 12 months, negative 51.56 million, and levered free cash flow the last 12 months is negative 22 million. So yeah, that's why I kind of took a short position on this, because I kind of looked at their cash flow statement and the metrics on cash flow, and it's like, well, they're not going to last very long before they run out of money and before they're going to have to take on more debt, you know, or issue some shares, something like that. They're going to have to raise some capital somehow, some way, or they're going to run out of cash pretty soon. So we'll kind of see here if they can hold this level technically on the 15-minute time frame, which is about 30 cents, because that, to me, that looks like the next key level here on the chart. So it'll be interesting to see if they bleed down to that 30-cent level, if buyers can step in there and it can start to rocket again, or, you know, are the sellers going to push it below that 30-cent level and close it below that? If they do, I could definitely see this thing coming down and touching around 25, 26 cents. So we'll kind of see what happens here with ticker TTOO or T2 BioSystems. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.